Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to manage message notifications on your iOS device. If your iPhone won't stop buzzing or you're missing important alerts, this quick guide will help you through how to take full control of your message notifications. First of all, unlock your iOS device and open up the Settings menu. Inside the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Under Notifications, swipe down and look for Messages app and tap on it. Now, on the next page, go to Alerts and choose where you want message alerts to appear. You can select Lock Screen, Notification Center, or Banners. You can tap on each one on or off based on your preference. Now, go to Sounds from the same page. Under Sounds, choose a tone you like from the options, or you can select None if you prefer silent alerts. Now get back to the previous page and get inside Lock Screen Appearance tab. Now click on Show Previews and set it to Always when unlocked or Never according to your preference. And that way you will be able to manage messages notification on your iOS device. If you don't want to receive any notifications from iMessages, then you can go ahead and toggle off the button right next to Allow Notifications at the top. And that's it. Now you've got complete control over your iPhone's message notifications, no more surprises or missed text. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.